How to buy action figure token. So this token came under the symbol of figure. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available in MEXC. You can buy it from your account on MEXC. Now first of all, open your MEXC account like that. But before that, don't forget to go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 1,400 members there. So open your MEXC account. If you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now in the search bar, you can type the token name. In this case, it will be the figure. So you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Now we'll wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on limit. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see here. So here you will be able to see how much you will pay with the USDT in your account. Now after that, click on buy figure. If you prefer to buy with market option, you can click on markets and you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. Click on buy figure. So this is how to buy figure token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.